Hey everyone, it's Olivia from ConvertKit, and in this week's Tuesday tip video, I'm going to share with you some quick modifications you can make to our first name personalization code that will help fix some common issues. Now, I can't take credit for coming up with this. This is actually something that Steven on our technical team shared with us, and today I'm going to share it with you. You may have had a situation like this before on your list, where you notice that a subscriber put both their first and last name in the first name field and/or possibly didn't capitalize it correctly either. Basically, what this means is that if I go over here to my sample broadcast and I enter this subscriber's email address in the preview field, you can see that in my personalized greeting, the data they had entered for their first name gets pulled over exactly as they entered it. So it has both their first name and their last name here, and it's not capitalized correctly. And we probably don't want that to happen because it looks a little bit awkward as an email greeting. Now, of course, I could just go back over to their subscriber profile and manually fix it, but that's not much of a Tuesday tip video, so instead I'm going to show you how you can fix this automatically by making a couple of quick adjustments to our personalization code. I'm going to head back to our broadcast editor and show you what changes need to be made. So put your cursor in here where the subscriber's name goes, right before the ending curly braces, and then type the pipe symbol or vertical bar symbol or whatever you like to call it, and then a space. The first thing we're going to do here is remove or truncate the subscriber's last name, and the way we do that is by typing truncate words, the number 1, comma, quote, end quote. And now if I go back to the preview step again and enter their email address again, I can see that it only pulls in their first name, but it's still not capitalized. So to fix that, I'm going to go back to the editor again, add another pipe symbol, space, and then just type capitalize. Now, if we preview it again, we can see that only their first name is being pulled in and it's correctly capitalized. And that was done automatically by the personalization code. I never actually changed anything on their profile. However, before ending this video, I just want to go over the shortcomings of this code because it's not a 100% perfect fix for all cases, and I just want to make sure that you're fully informed as to how it works. Basically, what this code does is just take the subscriber's current first name value, in this case, Jughead Jones, and truncates any words after the first word. And then it makes it so that only the first letter of the first word is capitalized. This works for most first names, but of course there are some exceptions. For example, a name like Mary Ann intentionally has 2 words, however, if you were to use this code, it would be shortened to just Mary. And along similar lines, if you have a name like Mckenna, where more than one of the letters is intentionally capitalized, this code will change that to just Mckenna with only one capitalized letter. I just wanted to point out exactly how it works so that you can use your judgment as to whether it makes sense for you to use this with your email list. And if you do find this code adjustment useful, I'd recommend just making a copy of it so it's really easy for you to just paste in whenever you need it.